Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, Iron Man, does whatever an iron can. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring Iron Man. Okay. By the way, we got this item from Sandy, our friend here in the Philippines, and we traded it for some Heroclix. We're gonna give this to our son after we unbox it, and you can see in the front the window.
I'm in versus Venom.
Yeah, Iron Man versus Venom. So it's a superhero mashers. If you're not familiar, you can mix and match parts of toys, and then you can see illustrations here of Iron Man on the side, and at the back we have a brief description of the figure. Make your mashup with the different figures. We have your Iron Man, Wolverine, Scar, and Spider-Man. I think we already have Wolverine and Scar, Spider-Man and Scar. So this is a good addition to our collection.
Look, it's
Okay.
same.
Yeah, it's the same Spider-Man. Okay. But before we unbox it, since this is a Heroclix channel, let's look for a Heroclix related Iron Man figure. Okay, so I just realized that I don't have a lot of Iron Man in my collection. I actually don't have a modern piece Iron Man. So we have to go silver for this particular related figure. And even then, I still don't have an Iron Man figure. So the next best thing is his car. Okay, Tony Stark's car. So this is the red. I don't know what model of car is this, but a flying car from Avengers Infinity. Okay, so I hope this get legacy treatment, just like the Spider-Mobile. This is G012, Stark Industries and vehicle keywords. Pilot ability trait, it's my car after all. Prerequisite character name Iron Man or Tony Stark. Shape change. Okay, so only Iron Man can drive his car. And the second trait, very subtle, Tony. When an attack misses Tony Stark's car, roll a d6. On a 5 to 6, remove an action token from it. Okay, so I'll wait for you to remove token. And he has a special, what do you call that? Special defense power. For vehicles, it's still rolling, which is stop. When this click is revealed, KO Tony Stark's car, but leave it in its square. Don't generate an object. Roll a d6, turn Tony Stark's car to the blue click number equal to the result, and it is now special terrain. So it's gonna be moving to this dial. Okay, and special damage power, have to time this move just right. When Tony Stark's car carries one or more characters during a costed action, after resolutions, roll a d6. On 5 to 6, one carried character may be given a costed action this turn. Okay, so that's really powerful. Okay, so because this particular car, if you're able to pull that off and get lucky, that can be an alpha strike. Although this particular car only carries one, so I'm not so sure why it's one or more character. Okay, maybe there's a way to make this a Green Lantern, like Gantet can do that. Okay, so anyway, as a special terrain, it has a trait. It's still rolling. Use it as cover. Adjacent friendly characters can use energy shield deflection. And then at the beginning of your turn, you may place this special terrain into an adjacent square, so it moves. If you do, at the end of your turn, roll a d6. If the result is equal to or less than the displayed number, KO the special terrain. If not, turn the special terrain dial to the blue click number equal to the result. Okay, so you might be able to use that for a couple of times before it actually, no, because it doesn't get KO'd when it's reached the blue dial. Anyway, it's been so long, that's why I forget already the mechanics for the rings. But nonetheless, let's fly back to the main video. Whoosh. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna unbox now our Iron Man superhero mashers. Ooh, and we have here Iron Man.
I'll open it, please.
I'll open it because it's hard to take out. Okay, I don't. Yeah, I'll give it to you afterward. I don't know what version of the Iron Man suit this is. I'm not so familiar, but we'll just assemble it quickly because the son is excited to play with it as soon as possible. Oops. So overall, I really like mashers. Okay. My son loved it so much to play, but it's a bit hard to pack away because all the parts will be all over the place. But it is what it is. Kids are kids, so our patience are always tested. Be careful.
The pieces.
Okay. You put the head, and then put the hand, and then put the
Feet.
feet. Okay, the left feet. Okay. So here is Iron Man. Let's take a look at it quickly. Okay, let's see if it stands. Oops, stand Iron Man. Okay. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. But for now, Iron Man will fly away. Bye.